Right, it was your memoir baba abroad GHTV so uni abema maule pepita abroad and then there was signing me she na ishia say na ese me dey aseda e dey kan e dey ma if you say odo amunya mo dey hwe me video na mo share me video ma me no dey me kan say wade nya mo kase bibia mo wo bia mama dankwa mama Mary busua me ni mo nyina no. As time goes on, me chechi will be any location, Bates, no, I mean, many animal Ghana, ha, me nan for phone, and then you be dim command for Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Abam Babin, you be dim on Kakra, na because you build your mind, so what you say, and your mind is she don't forget, say, na be a speaker and son on be a speaker. Nti so niwa ebi kura me commit me be a speaker ana wa wo hwe me wo ana so busu ne so betime be a speaker so se bibi chia na ya nkorete na ana se ya ntene ade ne ye ya mpenifo se ne eda no wa mananda efrito whilst we are building a nation ebi ana ono kwade o ye no kwade bi kwa no nim but they say ye prompt no because ye mu bi no betime ye bra peni obi wa so hwe me betime ya wo so what ya say na ye bi di no ho komo. Na de me can say a assassin na wo pato e wo Kumasi e Ashanti region hanum say na wo pese o to assassin efia yesie wie de ensin wie na wo pato a me am di enim abro me am di ne no maboa maka say before onim baby bia no din kan bisa mase wo Ghana say metesen ansa ne bi mpo a onim e dile akacho say me national PRO me na me kasamafo ma movie producer say we Ghana nyina nti we share miracle part obia movie star bia we Ghana bi we share bisanse we ni ma abro we kama samacho me ni so worship ani no me ka say abroad ni so worship ene ne kre nti tembia mpese me di no kre o pese o task ase ne o di ma wonu bia ne o diska no o pese o sifie no o hye no fefa me so me charge o me dem aka say o betue bibia ma me ansana ma ye di ama I was your young combra. Right, Ebusia, me da say, and the MPP classroom once again, and I me do a baby piano. Na classroom no, na weekend room. To say, when you me say, na me was saying, say, won't say me bofi, me do school. So I say I be free until you homework. Any na. Me say share video no. Ma obi bia nya bi nhwe because my catch was me call all the 16 regions in Ghana enya mapa aban ne ye no ena me de beto edwa nansin 3 occasions ena ntokwa esi parliament e wo Ghana 3 occasions baako mienu miensa tama na ye to aba no Tama speaker 2 kwan Tama speaker e bae o say uko parliament omo parliament as MPs no enyeso munnim nyansa tan obi a wo Ghana o tabi MPB wo no ma ne papa da so te ase ne ma me da so te ase nti ontimi nkase onnim nyansa se ne ma me ne papa na ya dumbi any GD and impedi wo ni penuti ene eto aba edi yi obi say oh we pono e teacher ni o we pono e driver o we kwa anko school o we kwa brochira bo onim nyanse ntiem ni ndi obi ko ye hwe ne papa ne de ato aba ma no ye hwe obi maame ne ato no so aba ye hwe obi ebusu ofiri mu obi fra mfie e wo konum so ye ntoma no because of suban bia e wan mfie wonti ye wo bia sebi odofuo first we ko krasi e fro bi krachi ye kase krachi like obi a wa kosku kakra a obetimi atro myself kakra bi na bi atro letter dear ama ma bina say bring 10 cedis for food no assign it let's say no or yet send ye WhatsApp ni ade Sani pano kwani yetimi to aba e de man. Don't forget say when Kwame Nkrumah became president, there were so many people from Modibado to Numanua. They were not educated. It is a woman MPB or parliament now to aba de man. Don't fear him. whether wa school we ko school or say or person or someone anything no say to abama na yin kan adwene bom tuma no. Now yes I didn't hear then among them and them say classroom you teacher ni wo ho ye teacher ni wi a yes say class prophet you class prophet be the ohwe cupboard no be the books no go no you no so ni prophet wo ho even adoma ye bo school kwa you be prophet wo ho no. So you have to choose somebody who will lead the house as the father. That is what we call speaker. It is a obey speaker. Automatically, you have become the father of the house. And that very house in this one year parliament, that is Ghana. In case you don't know, baby, I will be a Cape Coast, who Central Region, who Ashanti Region. Where you are is part of Ghana, but not Ghana. Ghana a parliament. And when part be a Ghana be a nipa bako a representing. Inti a one money nyina kaka bom e hye dan baako se parliament e blast anase ebu na so mu nyina we inside da o money nyina ni petitiri baako efiri mu ko. So we choose somebody to lead such people. That is why it will be a yentati omo, because yemfa say MP owo menhia yemfa se menhia kuma se menhia MP owo no yena no tekoko so etuaba e wo hono bi nti say in case na so tuma sa MP no teso na tire say ohempon bi empo so ifunu fie e risk the time in the life e kotuaba de masa MP no. That man there is representing Otumfo and Mpanyimfo ahemfo kase wo da area wo nyina. So when we pick you as the speaker, as the mouthpiece for that house now, a dynamo way president, Konanado crab or cressy a channel. Obi obi a shewase. Nti speak haden. Unkuwa time on 3 occasions. 3 occasions. Bakuni e butu ballot box we inside wo ye be chance e pacho na Ghana for the ache. Bakuna mtoko kiki yes e the ache. The last one that we had was obi BBS and wakotwa obi wo parliament wo. Honorable speaker. Honorable speakers be abako. This is not the first time that we are having a speaker. We've gotten so many speakers. Some of Ghana, so this thing didn't happen because you know why? So we free majority leader, now free minority leader. And when put them and our kitchen pot, they will come because they have that respect for you. It is what now. Na said the kusu parliament. Na dem beka che Ghana fancy a pacho. What about yeni ya tuwa bama mtiyensu ye say ya? What are people going to say? Because ya kase ya nchi MP no, you allow them to do whatever they want to do. Opening, that is not how we are building Ghana. That is not how we are building a nation. No. Ye kusu parliament in airtime, ebufu. Sama soliana papa be 440 something ma ko di line so ma ko to ma sticker nti then sticker de che me ye bema wa wo ma wo osifie me sifie o kasa me kasa odidi me didi wa ko school but nim say okodu me nim a nim die bi o won obetim dia kamedie no abodi nhia so constituency ne ye ko kuntokwa. And the speaker, you know where the fight is coming from. It's coming from the NDC. The truth is hard to say, but Mecca. It took so many great people to speak the truth, but later no, they were freed. Ebini Nelson Mandela, Ebini Jerry John Rawlings. Name them so many people. Even Jesus Christ, John the Baptist, no idea. If you want to speak the truth, they will hate you. But me, hate me in your mind, and you will love me when you see me life like this. That is me, because I'll tell you the truth. ye build your mind sisi a e-levy asem na aba na ye ka honorable chairman Sabunso and make allegation against you the speaker say we say yan physical 1.72 billion and farm parliament and my mom issue so and someone say no ho no ma o approve e-levy no ye nya ne sa aban bia ba fi bia yenim se twiska e de ma parliament mo di ye adwuma o yes anye ye wo mo prepare ho ye wo mo drivers ntwimu I mean we know what is happening in Ghana, we know the constitution it yenim but se wo kese yam feseske we yam fam ma yenya mentiasi ntino 11 yam pin so yen jintum na ye ko 2022 aban ni nyeska mfam bu o man na see we betim the MPP a co-position, but I'm telling you, on mine boa utimubi. Ebusu ya message say subscribe channel e won subscribe MPP classroom na me de wa ba no. Me do ba MPP classroom teacher abro ma tenase abro the big mouth bogo so this year ba ko pe. Aka tse say assassin na Opato Ashanti region Kumasi ya bibia. If you see we the nsiwie ya bia wa wo dia wisimu wi opese wo to aso a from number no na akajo say epese e call the 16 regions it is advert bi no opese the man e bo e wo me channel so na wo tia mu scan e so e call rounds and I say e bi opese wa kuma mu so wa bro munji we infantu alor fa munji we infantu bibia number na egusu ne momu number o send e din beba Mauli ekpe Peter Mauli ekpe Peter ene emi di ankasa na me number de gusu last number 91 iti yen tiase say speaker openi otene fie man kwada awe nanka no se yebu nanka wefo a ana se ye kan nanka wefo a wo ifio on area wono ma ye de kan unim say obi di atem wo outside parliament and say outside Ghana ha bia no wudin bebem. But speaker hwe bla wabo hwe time ye to abama obey MP yes we di wo parliament empredodo constituency to dem awodom wo dem awo empo ye to aba wo parliament po no MPP MPC be sneaky etomao. It means people have respect and love for you, so why are you doing this to Ghana? It's papa untimi mfre mpenimfo ne say mombra me entenase say de ya moko ewiase amudi nkomo moko party ase amosere mo say you hum videos na ade. So can't you call your people say mombra me entenase Ghanaians are more than us, we were being sent. Nipa ba ko pe constituency asoma no bi constituency buru 30,000 omu nipa 30,000 asoma nipa ba ko pe, then you go and sit in parliament and disgrace yourselves like this. Say MPC kontokwa no obi di build chobi hey Charlie on my name you know what share video with mommy. This is MPP classroom. I brought the big mouth where I brought GHTV share video no mommy share mo bi bia nya bi and any speaker na din komo ye ka no kwa na kire no asema me ken ahemfo kwa gitum say no kre MPC nim say no kre ne kan din ba ye mu bi de ye be kan because at the end say we ni ye it's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's honorable Abambabin, with all due respect, my parliament in peaceful said the next year obeto so that when we are going you be bones who didn't dimpa at the account. Abusia, show me next video.